Are you facing a freezing or crashing problem with your Outlook application? Well, Outlook freezing or crashing can happen for a number of reasons, such as corrupted profiles, too many add-ins running in the background, or even damaged data file that Outlook is struggling to load. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it using simple steps, so you can get back to work without any interruptions. And for additional help, you can dial in the numbers on the screen to get one-on-one guidance from our expert team. Alright then, let's begin with the solution now. First, what you need to do is open the Run command box on your device. After that, type outlook.exe/safe in the search box and click on OK. Next, you will see a pop-up. Click on OK and see if you're able to open Outlook in safe mode. Once it opens, click on File on the top left side and then choose Options at the bottom. Now, a pop-up screen will appear on the screen. There, click on Add-ins option from the options on the left side. Then, click on the Go button at the bottom. On the Open page, make sure to uncheck the boxes and click on the OK button. Now, open your Outlook application normally and see if it is still facing any issues. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. For more detailed and easy to follow guides, subscribe to our channel or visit help@emailtails.com. You can also contact our experts at the following numbers for seamless one-on-one assistance.